How to enable call recording on your Samsung Android device. This tutorial shows you how to turn on call recording so you never miss an important conversation. First, open the phone app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings to open the phone settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Record Calls to open the call recording options. In the next step, tap on Auto Record Calls to enable automatic recording for all calls. From there, let me show you. You'll see a few options, including all calls, contacts only, and numbers not in contacts. At this stage, select whichever option suits you best. Tap on All Calls if you want every call recorded automatically. Following this, once enabled, all incoming and outgoing calls will be recorded automatically from this point on. Once done, to find your recorded calls, open the Recorded Calls option to access all your saved recordings. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable call recording on your Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.